Hello and welcome to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Steve, with some smart money news you can use. And I've got a work trend update that you'll want to know about. The recent wave of AI-driven layoffs may backfire on employers, hurting companies long-term and making it harder, unfortunately, for Gen Z and millennials to climb that career ladder. So, without further ado, grab that notepad and let's go. Why? Because we're about to get into it. AI layoffs could backfire on employers and hurt career growth for an entire generation. Both CNBC and labor researchers are warning AI isn't just cutting jobs, it's breaking the career ladder. Now here's the problem. Entry-level jobs, the training wheel roles, they're basically disappearing. Jobs like junior data analysts, customer service reps, compliance assistants, entry-level financial advisors, and early career software developers. Now, Revelio Labs, a company that tracks real-world data across industries, found that entry-level job postings dropped a whopping 35% in just the last 18 months. And according to CNBC, jobs most exposed to AI are already down 14% across multiple industries. Here's how AI could stall entry-level career growth and quietly weaken the talent pipeline across industries. No entry-level jobs equal no way to gain skills. For most of human history, people learn through an expert-novice model. Beginners learning on the job until they master that skill. Now currently, AI breaks that relationship. Experts now do all the work themselves. AI makes senior workers faster, and now companies are skipping involving those junior staffers to save time. The result? Juniors never learn. Younger workers can't reach mid-level roles. If there is no level 1 or a level 2, nobody ever reaches level 3. Companies will suffer later. Experts warn of a future talent collapse where companies have no experienced managers and no pipeline of future leaders. Now, if AI keeps moving at this pace, the World Economic Forum warns that nearly 40% of core job skills could be disrupted by 2030. In real talk, companies may be saving money now, but they'll definitely pay later when no one's trained to lead. So, what can young workers do right now? Experts say early career workers should focus on learning practical AI fluency, using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Focus on building hybrid skill stacks, taking on projects at work or in your personal life where human judgment and AI work together. Focus on using AI to speed up learning, but not to avoid learning. And if you're already using AI tools to learn faster and increase your productivity, you're already ahead of the game. So there you have it. In case you missed it, the smart money news you can use. Let me know down below, do you think AI will continue to disrupt the workforce in 2026? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay in the know. And if you want a deeper dive with real-world steps, tap this playlist right here. And until next time, I've got nothing but love for you, and keep hustling.